In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make rap in Suno AI. In order to do that, you first need to head over to the create option and you can input right here the song description. Into the simple part, you can just input right here a description about a rap about love. So you can just input the description right here if you would want. And then you can also add lyrics for your rap in order to make it better, as well as the inspiration for all of this right here. Now, if you want, you can also head over to custom, wherein you can add the lyrics, the styles, as well as these options right here, audio, persona, and inspiration. On my case, I'll just use the simple option and click on the this create right here. And once we have done that, this will actually generate some version of wrap that we have that you can see right here. Now, as you can see, we have this name. It has these options right here for down tempo, dark trap, minor key rap, and male vocals. As you can see, this one is a rap based on description. So you can proceed to play it and edit it however you want. So that's how you make rap in Suno AI. Hope we helped.